Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I have another special apartment for you. This is actually one we found for one of our clients who has now 20 apartments here. He did a really beautiful renovation. All his apartments look very similar. Okay, but he's done a really nice job here. And this one can be for rent or for sale. He'd be willing to sell it even with financing. He wants to sell it next year, but you could buy it this year with probably 60% down. And then, oh, hi Marcella.
Hello.
I forgot to tell you that Marcella's here today. She's gonna do a video after this one. So, as I was saying, this apartment can be for rent, for long-term rentals, or it could be purchased also. So I'll put all the prices and all the details in the end screen as usual. So, but what I love about this apartment here, it's very close to, let's go take a look. Right over on the other side of this building here is Mall Santa Fe. So it's super close to Mall Santa Fe. And then you've got Mall Oviedo just behind here. And over this way here is Envigado. So you've got Mall Viva over that way there too. So, and you're really close to Envigado here. So, and then over in this direction here, again down here you've got the Golden Mile. And then if you keep going, you're gonna hit Parque Jerez and Provenza, the entertainment zone. But yeah, this apartment, he's done a really nice job. What do you think? You like it?
It's beautiful. It's very open.
Yeah, very open apartment for sure. So, and again, he's put in really nice fridge. He's got a dishwasher, really nice appliances. So, and as you can see over there, in all his apartments, he puts in aircon. So he does a really good job of these apartments. Let's take a look here at the office space. So here, he's put in a really nice office space. I'm actually gonna turn off the lights here because they're interfering with the video for some reason. I'm not sure, but these ones here, for some reason, play with the video. These ones out here, not as much, but again, yeah, just don't want that electrical interference there. So I think it's these LED lights. He's done a really nice job to put them right in the ceiling. But as you can see, when I turn them off, I don't have that flickering. So sorry about that little malfunctioning here with the lights. But again, it's a very bright apartment anyways. There's really good light in this apartment. So over here, he's put in a really nice social bathroom, okay? Complete with rain shower, as you can see. Okay. And a really nice sink. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. I believe approximately 85 square meters. I will, as always, put everything in the end screen as I usually do. Okay. And again here, getting problems with those LED lights, but good to know because he's got another 2 apartments coming up that I'm going to film soon, and they're a lot bigger than this. They're double the size of this one here. So this is the, I believe, the master bedroom. And then the master bedroom washroom. And what I really like here is put in a really nice, it's a steam room sauna, all integrated. Even has a bench seat right there. Take another look. And again, really spacious living room area. What I like about the owner of the apartment, you can see he actually puts in a really cool stereo receiver here. You don't see this in many apartments anymore. Maybe a Bluetooth speaker, but that's it. So he outfits these apartments really well. And as you can see right here, he's put in a barbecue. So in this one here, I believe we'll rent out for, I think he has this slotted for $2,200 to $2,400 a month. Okay, again, a really good location over near the Golden Mile, just up from the Golden Mile in Los Balsos. I've actually done a neighborhood video here. But yes, so just to reiterate, he's willing to do a long-term rental on this one or to sell it, but he would like to sell it over a year's time. So he would finance part of it if you wanted to finance it over a year. But he does a really good job here of putting in the appliances. So you can see here he's got a really nice induction stove, microwave, really nice Samsung fridge here, and he's even put in one of these little ovens right here, and then blender, coffee maker, and a kettle. He really likes black, as you can see. So we'll take one last look here at the office. Again, that's one of the features of his apartments. In the next apartments in a few weeks I'm going to show, he's completing 2 units, and both of them have grand master bedrooms with an office adjacent to each bedroom. So he really gears them towards the nomadic executive crowd. All right, let's take one last look at the view here. Again, really close to Mall Santa Fe and Mall Oviedo here. Really central location. All right, so hope you've enjoyed this rapid apartment tour here today. Again, this is in Los Balsos, just up from Mall Santa Fe. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.